Alright, here we are, Roosevelt Island. There is 432 Park Avenue. You know what? I think the last time I came to Roosevelt Island was back in December. Look how much it's doubled in height since then. Last time I was here, you could only see the very top of the core. You could not see any of the building. So in 5 months, this building has doubled in height. So yeah, when I came here back in December, I'd say it was only up to here. Now you can see how much it's really doubled in height. And on top of that, earlier, as I said before, this tower still has a lot more to go. It's going to be taller than One World Trade Center. It's not going to be taller than the antenna spire, but it will be above the roof line. I would say up to the first or second communication ring. You can also see 4 World Trade Center down there too. And that will be my next stop. But seeing that I haven't come to 432 Park Avenue in quite a while, I definitely had to come here and check it out. And yeah, this will be another New York marvel, as I said before. This building is going to stand out in Midtown because it's going to be so tall. So tall and so thin. Check it out. Looks like they're bringing another batch of concrete up to the top. Right there is the Chrysler Building, and the Empire State Building is kind of hiding behind it. I can only see the antenna very little bit. I guess I'll walk down a little further. Again, here's Midtown Manhattan and 432 Park Ave. The new luxury skyscraper. Luxury condominiums, and right there behind it is Carnegie 57 or 157. Again, it will also be luxury condominiums, and I believe it's a hotel as well, but I'm not too sure on that. But they're basically going to be used for the same thing, just 2 different shapes. Really adds to the architecture. I'm going to start watching now to see how high it gets over these buildings. I'm also going to watch the height progress from these buildings here as well. There it is. Now again, last time I was here in December, right before I went on my vacation, I was down there and you could only see about this much, but then again now it's doubled in height. So we'll see how much more it gains over the next few months from this building now. Okay, walking over a little, here it is again. 432 Park Ave. I believe if everything goes on schedule with this tower, it will be open in late 2015 or early 2016. Alright everybody, that's all the time I have here for today. I now need to go down to my next stop. One World Trade Center. So everybody, be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this tower and its progress. If you have any questions to ask, be sure to ask them, I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.